Hi there, Yang here. Today I'm gonna modify some of our code, just make something extra in it. And in the last video, when we put them in the combat mode map, it was not reacting to the player. I found why with just a very simple fix. We removed the interface call get AI component and we cast it and we forgot to cast to the player also. So that was what was happening. All right, let's dive in it. I'm gonna open the project. First things first, we open the map. That's good. And I was in the controller. I was checking. What I'm interested in is this part, but I'm gonna first do the first things. We are going into the core folder. We are going in our enumerations. We're gonna create a new one and we're gonna call it eVision state. Okay, I'm gonna open it. You make four states: far, medium, normal, and close. So far, medium, normal, and close. Okay, when you have it, you close it. I'm gonna do an extra step that I didn't do, but I'm gonna implement it. So we're gonna go one up and we need to have structs. We are going to quickly create a new struct, the structure, and I'm gonna call this s underscore uh, vision values. I'm gonna call it. Okay. Then I'm gonna double click on it. I'm gonna put it over here and I want to have like one that should be a float, float to three. This one is far, medium. Then this I close normal, I think. Yeah, quickly open or normal, I think I called it. Yes, normal and close. So this then is normal, and this is close. Compile, open the value panel. And now we need to have the controller. So the controller, we need to have the AI perception, and we have a site of 2000. We have a site of 2000. So the far will be 2000 in this case. And then I'm gonna quickly look. I created a set vision. Hold on a second, just to 1500, 1500, 1500, 1000, and 500. Oh, 500. Okay, so we have some data-driven values. We then can modify when needed. Okay, so we can look like 20 meters, 50 meters, 10 meters, 5 meters. Okay, that's good. So that can close, that can also close. Now in here I didn't do anything. Yes, no, no, in this one I didn't do anything. So close the controller. We just need to have the values of our site. Okay, then this is also good. We are going to open the component. On the component, I did some extra things. I did a modification, but first we're gonna do the fix. And the fix was on lost vision. Yes, on lost vision. I need to maybe check that on the hearing also, but do this one first. So I forgot to cast this part. So we replaced it here by adding the cast to the master. So what you need to do is come off of the failed cast, come from the actor sensed cast to the your player that you're using. So I'm using the modified player combat. Okay, so then do the same thing, get the team ID, store the team ID, and then we are going to create that new function I'm talking about. And this is a macro, sorry, the macro. I'm gonna open the macro. And now we are going to also directly modify because I added under the sensing category a new variable called VisionRange with then our new created enum, set it in the category. Default doesn't matter. But we are going to now also create that struct. And then this will be default vision data. Yeah, I think that's a good name. So that then also will be our vision. And what can we find? We need to have the S vision values. Okay. I'm not gonna make it public, or should I? Uh, yeah, maybe better because then if you modify your controller, maybe the vision range, you can then directly modify these also. Yeah, that's better maybe. And then we're gonna put it into sensing, compile and save it already. That's good. The vision range, yeah, that is not, that is just internal data. Then this, I'm gonna do like that. We already going to drag this in, and we are then going to just split it. You could break it, but then better split it. So what we are going to do is take the NPC, drag it in, do get actor location, duplicate the the actor locations node, yeah, duplicate it, and then normally this requires actor, so that is good. Drag it up here, and then make sure it's an actor, okay? Then connect it so that we have the NPC and then the sensed the sensed actors and the target that we sensed, so we can take his location also. Then again, calculate the distance between the two, and then now we are going to do the logic. Then in this case, the far, it was 2000. So if it's greater or equal than, put a branch, and then we do it 4 times. Then the medium, we connect to the medium in this case, do that, do the same. Then the default, we are going to say default is 1000, 10 meters, and then close the moment we are less than 500 meters, then this should be close. Okay, but I already see in between this one. Maybe make another. Oh, I did some. I'm connected to the wrong pin. Hold on, you see, this need to go there. Okay, but we also need to have another one greater than, greater than, greater. Hold on, greater than. Then we need to have another one here in between. So we need to say greater than 1000. then another one, just less, less, oh, less, less than normal, and greater than close. So that goes like, oh, he breaks it again, like so. So less than 500 and greater than and greater than. Okay, hold on because it's getting messy. Yeah, hold on. I put that over there. Then greater than, less than. Yep. So that's the first thing I want to that I can. When it's less than 1,000 and it's greater than 500, then it's still normal, in my opinion. Yeah, then it's still normal. Then we're not through, we're going to go here. And then when it's less than 500, so less than close. Like so. Okay, less than close. Oh, this needs to connect. Otherwise, it's not. Okay, and then we say like yes. So if it's far, then it's far, then it's medium, then it's normal, and then it's close. That's what we are setting. And so we don't do any other logic around here, and the logic will come. Then, okay, so that was it for the macro. So we are then setting that macro over here, and then we reconnect it to our branch that we put before. Then we are going to first look at when we see a friend. So we're going to put some logic when we see a friend. Then we take our vision range. Then we're going to switch on the vision range. When it's far, we're not going to do anything. Then when, first we check if it's alive, yes, no. Then when it's alive, when it's far, we're not gonna do anything. When it's medium, normal or close, we are gonna start investigating and we set the investigate location. Then when it's not alive, so when it's dead, and when it's far, in this case, I'm curious, I want to set seeking. So I'm gonna seek what is happening there. And then on the medium, I'm gonna set the state as investigation on the investigation invest location. And for the close and the normal, I do the same investigation, but this time I set it on the point of interest. Okay, so that is what we are doing at this stage. And I was also thinking, but I'm not sure on maybe make like a brain thing or something, a memory thing. I was thinking about it so that when we do start investigate, for example, we have like a struct memory, for example, at least two structs, one memories, the array of memories, and then one where we set the logic what we want, and then maybe with the timer. work something out that over some time maybe that memory get lost or the memory stays in memory. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna maybe think about it, but like now we have some distance in it. So when he sees a friend, what must he do? If he's far away, don't do anything. And then also when he's alive, then when he's get killed, for example, could be other enemy killed him. You need to go and help that guy. So then go seek. And let's see what we did on our seeking. What did we do on the seeking? Let me quickly look. Seeking. So when we're going to seek is at the moment not much. Okay, so seek. Let's build it. Same thing as always. Set a mode. When we're seeking, we're not. Then we are going to update movement speed. You see, we need to get a lot of more tasks. Update movement speed based on our default behavior. Okay. At this point, we need to set that focal point that we look where we're going. I'm gonna put it here because we are, deleted that one for now. Set focal point and our focal point search. Our focal point search. And hold on, I quickly check the search. Seeking, set, move to location. Okay, so focal point in this case is then our move to location. Yeah. Then we need to move to that location. Move to that location. That will be then. Oh, oh, move to location in this case. Okay. And then you will walk to it. Then we are going to stop the focus. Yeah, we're gonna stop the focus. Did we do here? Yeah, okay, that's good. But here I think we also need to have a selector. I think we also need to do the same selector, and then hold control, sorry, control, reconnect it to here. Put that one over here for now. Connect that to this one. Take this one over there. Okay, that's good. So equal to seeking. Then here I want to have a new blackboard decorator. That we have something to go out of the move to location. That is what I'm interested in. If this is, this needs to go here. If this is set, then yes, execute this one. But if it's not set, then I'm gonna set the state to passive. Hold on, passive was investigation, passive use. No, that's patrol pet, flee, passive. This use the start location and passive use the move to. Yeah, okay. In this case, we're gonna use the passive. Okay, so let's change behavior. Behavior I want to go to is passive. And then he starts roaming around that area if he doesn't find anything. That is how it should work. Yeah, but that will give an issue, I think. We will see. Because if it's not set, yeah, then here this we set it to new state passive. That is, but we will see. We will see. Hold on. But how can we best simulate this? You will go into that state. You will go into that state when it's far. Doesn't matter if it's a friend. Far, this is a far friend for this one. But this one will be killed immediately. Well, we will see. We will see. Maybe put. Ah, yeah, that I can do. Put that one somewhere over there. How is he looking? He's looking to that side. And I'm gonna turn him. Voila. Let's see, yeah. So that is far normally, yeah. I hope. What is he doing? Seeing. So yeah, those are killed. In this case, far. He detects. They don't detect those. So for him, it's far and he's alive. That means far alive. He's not doing anything. Yeah, and on that, so if it's medium, he needs to go to that location. Oh, so medium, he needs to go to that location. How can we trigger this? Is that? So, where is this dude going? He's wandering. So he's not an investigation state. Is there one of them in the investigation state wandering? Investigating. Which one is it? That one. So yeah, he's investigating. Investigating. He's waiting. But the move to location is not updated, because this one I think is not. He's focusing on this one, I think. No. Okay, what state he is? Now he's wandering. So he switched between the states. That is not the issue. 3 wandering, 2 wandering, 1 also wandering. And you see the move to is updated, the POI not. Is on somewhere the POI updated? No, no. Move to, wait. Which one is it? Yeah, he's at location. That's it. He is at the location. He is at the location. Maybe put another decorator on this one. Say is at location. Click on it. Invert this one. Okay. Is at location. Move to location in this case. Okay, those die. He starts running, so he was investigating, Hold on, He's investigating, Now he walks because the other one was walking, Okay, that is better, Okay, so he's walking. He's going to. Oh, yeah, that is correct. I see it on the walking. Yeah, that's correct. So now he starts running, and he is in wandering. He's back in wandering. Okay, he's back in wandering. Then now he is in. But that is still too far, it seems, for that other dude. Oh, yeah, too late. Hold on, I think we need to move that one closer. Let's see what this one is doing, wandering. Let's see if, hold on, I'm gonna put it over here that I can see the moment he goes into investigation mode, Let me quickly see, So yeah, still too far, Still too far, He runs back to the starting because he's in wandering, He walks back to the start position, And the start. I think we need to put that one not on the wandering state. This will fail because we don't set it. Put it on wait. Put them on wait, and maybe again. Okay. Let them wait. Those. Oh, that one is alive. So he's waiting. Yeah, we need to find also a little bit noise that we didn't do to trigger it. Because I think only on the player at the moment there's a empty scene. So I don't see any hearings. No, he doesn't go into that mode. Still too far at the moment. Can I press F? Ah, yeah, okay, that's why. He's not triggering. Oh, yeah, it's a friend, but normally it's a friend that is close. Normally it's a friend that, yeah. Now he starts investigating. So now I triggered it to investigate. So he's waiting. No, Need to have some tweaking. Need to have some tweaking, but yeah, that was another thing we could do, huh? So based on distance, then we say like we split it a little bit. We have a far range. Yeah, it's normal. And this is in the point of view that we are in an open area, huh? Because if we are walls, then it will always be like close and start investigating. And I think what we now need to do, I'm gonna save this guy, put it over here. What we now need to do is start focusing on the shooting, on the shooting. So we need to have a task, attack player, that's the original one. So we need to have a task that this get equipment manager because we needed it and we need to know what weapon we got there. Let me look in the code, invent and generic attribute type. So here type is a lot, so rifle. That is already good logic, eh? Type can be, no, we cannot. Type, okay. So that part we still in some way need, eh? But then the question comes, here we still get the type. In this case, he is multi-tracing because here we are setting a distance for the trace. Oh, that is not what I want. I want to have it like really the shooting part. So we also need to have a line trace in this case. Then the line trace goes. And then when it detects, then we need to find a way to play the animation and the shooting of the gun. That is basically what we need to do. And in this case, try primary input. Mhm. What we need to be in the other. We need to be in the other. We need to be in the advanced. I think we need to be in the advanced. We're gonna quickly, we're not gonna start it, but we're just gonna quickly look at something. So that for we need to have quickest way, characters, this one. Yeah, this one. Hold on, and do we got here some? No, this is just, that was the aim. We still need to check. And we are interested in, what did I say? I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take this one. Yep. Equip. The movement I don't need. No, the movement. What do we have here of potential? Can perform action. Choose hit montage. No. Lock target. That we didn't try, but that is also maybe spawn hit, damage stack, spawn impact, Start zooming, try lock target, try start aiming, reload. So reload comes from here. Do we find something about shooting when we type it? Not on this one. This one? Also not. So it's not called shooting. It's not called shooting. Hold on a second. Go back to the top class. We need to have the data tables. And I think the equipment or the item. Quickly open equipment. I'm interested in a pistol or something. Do we have pistol? No? Oh yeah, here. Okay, let's find out. What do we have on a pistol that can be useful? Pistol, generic. Type pistol, linked inventory item is the pistol. We equip. On equip we have the montages. Animation layer to use, muscular, yeah, that is pistol, that, yeah, that is setting the animations. Is there some trigger to a functionality? Forward facing, okay, range it, that is something we are interested in. Pistol fire. Okay. So that is basically the same logic as on the Epic characters you can download. Reset combo and hold on. Pause this for a second. Pause this. What was it? I need to. What is this? Oh, details. Details. Slot. And that's the sound it's playing. Okay. Then continue. Fire effect. Animation equipped in the mesh. Yeah. Camera shake. Yeah. But this is all related to animations, eh? This is all related to animations and effects. So this has no relation to then that was the equipment, items. We are interested in the pistol, generic, actions. No, that's the inventory actions. Coupled ammo, attributes. So not directly from the data tables, we can see if we have like a shooting function. Let's try something else. Pistol. Is there a blueprint? What is this? Camera shake? No, I don't. I just want to have a blueprint. A blueprint. It's class, so there's no blueprint for it. So we need to focus on like we were doing. So try reload comes from abstract. Comes from abstract. The combat we already put on it and advanced AI. The combat did we put on this one then? No, no, not on this one. This one is open. Combat. Edit, voila, edit. Where does it open? There it opens. Ooh. Um, damage. Apply. Event graph crosshair. Input. Fire mode. That is close. Aiming. Aiming. Fire mode. Toggle fire mode. But this doesn't really put. It seems like. No, this does events maybe? Ah, yeah, spawn projectile. No. Do we need to be here? What can we call? Can equipment command check if equip ammo. Try primary action. That is basically what we are doing, eh? Try primary action. Equip the weapon. Try primary action. No. Why he goes there? Oh no, not extended movement. This one. This one we need. Hold on. Close all of tabs. Voila. Just open the event graph. Let's see, what do we have? Initialize input action. Try primary action. Try. No. This is abstract. And then we always come in the abstract one. Primary action. Is equipping is unequipping? Yes, no. Can we perform an action? The component set to in combat mode. Okay. Then primary input. From what does this do? No, let me come here. So it's in the input. Then we come here on the abstract. That's action. We need input, eh? Try input. That's called over there only. Try. What can we find on try? Because he needs to line trace, eh? He needs to line trace, eh? Yeah, I'm gonna look where I can find it. I'm gonna look where I can find it, and then I will let you guys know. So for now, we are already good to go, and then later on we need to start also cleaning up a little bit. But yeah, at this point, you have enough elements already to modify it to your own needs. You have all the helper functions to set and get the information of the behavior tree and the states. You can always make your own states. And then, yeah, like now it's the shooting attack, and we need to get, and then also we need to think about where we need to put the triggering of the sounds. So like now it's not doing much on hearing. I think, did we not have it or did I disconnect it? It could be that I was, yeah, I think I disconnected it. I think in the original one, no? I think in the original one it makes noise. Hold on a second. What is it? Did we modify this one? Yeah. Combat this. Hold on. Put it back on the combat mode. And this character I need. Where is it? I need to. This I need. Yeah, you see? This one makes noise. This I took out of it. This one I took out of it because we need to make it like ourselves. Okay, no, then it's good, and then we know. No, I will then also quickly look in this one. Play fixed dialogue, set values, call spotted. No, I can basically delete this. This can be already deleted. Delete this one, also delete the component, compile and save, that we don't have anything that can interfere with our detection. So this is, yeah, the debugging window, and that we clear later. No, okay, perfect. Thanks for watching, and I will break my head on it and then see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.